Countless people in 3D model groups have asked if you can motorize marble runs. Well, no more, because this question has been answered right here. This is ROKR's latest marble run release and their first electric marble run, and it's called Marble Spaceport. And I cannot wait to unbox this to see exactly how the motor and everything else is going to look like, so we know what to expect. So when we look at this marble run in the photo on the box, it looks really neat, and it does look slightly maybe complicated in some areas. I would expect it not to be very easy. And when we talk about the size of it, it's going to be about the same size as ROKR Marble Night City, but there is one big difference. So ROKR Marble Night City takes about 6 to 8 hours to assemble. It's got 294 pieces, but look at this. So 294 pieces compared to 472. That is a lot. So I would assume it's gonna take maybe, I'm just guessing, but maybe 6 to possibly like 9 or even 10 hours. But I don't know because I have not started yet, and I cannot wait to open it just to kind of see the motor and all the pieces and everything else that's in the box. Because if you have seen the Robotime video on their YouTube channel about this marble run, it looks like you can connect this to their Marble Night City. So it would literally go at the front, and there'll be a couple of runs that connect the spaceport to this marble run. And I wonder, sorry about that squeak, I wonder if this kit includes it, and if it does, then that is absolutely incredible. And now it's time to get this beauty opened. And by the way guys, what I'm going to do with this marble run is I'm going to build it step by step, so you can join me and see how it's done. And if you wanted to get your own, I do have a link in my comments section or description, and that is the one way you can support my channel if you get this kit through that link. So let's see what's in here. So here we have all the wooden sheets. So how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So quite a few sheets. Gonna put this on the side just for now before I get it open. Oh, I could see the motor there. Let's look at the instructions. Nice little wee booklet. Lots and lots of parts, as I said already. So instructions look about the same as any others they have really, which are really good, and I'm really glad they aren't like 5 separate sheets and like gigantic sheets, like blueprints basically, you know, because that is really annoying. I just like to flick my pages, much easier. So here we can see the motor there at the end. Ah man, this is very exciting. Let's see what else is there. We do have quite a few plastic pieces as well, as expected, because when we look at the middle, see that here, it's like a funnel type of thing. Now that will be really cool because the ball will drop in and it will just kind of go around and then continue down. That is very quite exciting, and it looks really cool. And this is it. See these? These will be it for that middle kind of vortex type of thing. Jeez, oh, can he speak? And there we go. This is that motor. Quite tiny, but obviously you don't need it big, you know, because how fast do you want that handle to go? Nice. So it's like a USB type of thing right here. So there should be a USB cable somewhere, or you might need it separately. So here's our metal rods as expected, loads of them. Look at this, this is new. Nail clippers. That will be handy actually for your nails after. And it's got a nice wee ROKR logo on it as well. That's pretty cool. That'll probably be for the plastic pieces, you see. Okay, just a random piece of wood there. Or is this metal? No, that's wood. Don't want to break that one. Might be for the motor part. Got lots of screws. We've got 10 balls, I think they said, but it looks like there's a lot more. Look at this. It looks like they're different sizes. Yeah, they are. These are bigger than these ones. That's interesting. And so far, I can't see anything that would join it up with Marble Night City. Got a little wee nail file. Yep. And we'll probably need more than that. The one thing I noticed is I cannot see any wax, which is fine. I'm just going to use my own, you know. I've got plenty from all the other kits. And you can also just use something like Vaseline or a birthday candle or just your ordinary tea light, you know. Right, let's pop these back in and open up those wooden sheets. Okay, let's get that knife out. There is another little wee square piece of sandpaper right here, but again, we will need a lot more, 100%, because there's a lot of wood here. Come on. There we go. So I do wonder if we're gonna have to, if you want to join up this Marble Spaceport with the Marble Night City, we might have to buy the pieces separately. And I wouldn't think it would cost a lot, because there isn't that many pieces that you need from the looks of things to join it up. We've got this random plastic piece. I wonder what that's going to be for. For bending or something anyways. Well, it will be bent, I assume. We'll see. So a little bit of sandpaper. Oh, this piece popping out already, one of the tracks. I do love, what I really like about these marble runs is their dip dye. It's a very nice dark grey. Looks very nice. Right, just a random piece of cardboard. There's our wee surround for the base, the silvery side. Very nice. Yeah, there's so many pieces, that is crazy. And here's our little wee tool. The most handiest tool ever, really. So you use this end, you know, to push your pieces out. You can use it as a ruler for your rod, so you 100% know that you've picked the right rod, you see. Very nice. Oh, another piece popped out from somewhere. Oh, right here. There's another wee board. I can smell the wood. I'm sure if you've done wooden models before, you know how as soon as you open a box up, you can just smell the wood. And here's our base. Okay, yeah, very nice color. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions again to see if it does say anything about joining the two runs up. Got it right here. So it says the model can connect with Marble Night City with the accessories package. So we will have to buy it separately, and I would assume it wouldn't be expensive because there shouldn't be that many parts just to join them both up. There's just going to be a belt, a couple of more runs, and that should be it really. And the other thing is, it did not come with an actual cable, so a USB cable basically, so you will have to get that yourself as well. If you probably have like an Android phone, that should be perfectly fine, because that's how that connection really looks like. Let's have another look at it. See that? If you go specific phone, probably Android phone, you could just use your charger probably to plug it in and it should work perfectly fine. And the other thing is, as I said, yeah, wax. It did not include wax, but that depends to what country they ship it, because they've got, other countries have different import rules and all the rest of it, but it's an easy fix. Use Vaseline or beeswax or birthday candle or tea light, anything really. There's a lot of options out there. And as I said already, make sure you leave a like, guys, because I'll be doing this step by step so you can follow through and we can build this together. So make sure you also subscribe and ring the bell for video notifications so you don't miss out, and go and check it out in my comment section or description so we can do it together. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I shall see you then. Bye for now.